Here are 10 common grammar mistakes that even native speakers make. Your versus your. Your shows possession, like your car is nice. Your is a contraction of you are, like you're going to love this. Their versus their versus their. Their shows possession, like their house is big. There refers to a place, like put the book over there. There is a contraction of they are, like they're coming tonight. Its versus its. Its shows possession, like the cat chased its tail. Its is a contraction of it is or it has, like it's raining outside. Affect versus effect. Affect is a verb meaning to influence, like the rain will affect the parade. Effect is a noun meaning a result, like the effect of the rain was significant. Then versus than. Then is used for time or sequence, like I'll meet you at 5 and then we'll go. Then is used for comparisons, like this cake is sweeter than the one we had yesterday. Whose versus whose. Whose is a contraction of who is or who has, like who's coming to the party. Whose shows possession, like whose book is this? Lay versus lie. Lay requires a direct object, like lay the book on the table. Lie does not require a direct object, like lie down and rest. To versus to. To is a preposition, like I'm going to the store. To means also or excessive, like I'm going to. Accept versus accept. Accept means to receive something willingly, like I accept your gift. Accept means excluding, like I like all vegetables except Brussels sprouts. Further versus farther. Further refers to time, degree, or quantity, like let's discuss this further. Farther refers to physical distance, like he ran farther than I did. These are just a few examples, but being aware of these common mistakes can help improve your writing and speaking skills.